Heche, 53, also had a fractured sternum caused by blunt trauma, according to information on the website of the Los Angeles County Medical Examiner coroner. A full autopsy report was still being completed, the coroner's office said. The Emmy-winning film and television actor was removed from life support Sunday at a burn center. The car in the home burst into flames. Only Heche was injured. Heche suffered a severe anoxic brain injury caused by a lack of oxygen, according to a statement released last week on behalf of her family and friends. However, police ended their investigation after she was declared brain dead.